Has someone quoted you 200 quid to do a res delete on your Golf GTI or Golf R or Audi S3? Well, here's how you do it for 65 quid. Let's jump straight into the video.
I don't know, because all I can see is a big crack going through my floor. Do you reckon? I should have cleaned it. It's covered in mud from when we went to a scrapyard the other day.
There's no way I'm going to tackle this on the drive.
No. Is everyone good at that?
Or more.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, females, girls, males, whatever you want to call yourself.
There is no females that watch your channel. There is no females that watch your channel. There is no females that watch your channel.
Getting brave, mate. Beard gang. Beard gang. Anyway, this is what we call the Resonator, or the muffler, if you're American.
Or you call coal.
Yeah, it's very hot at the minute, like me, of course. We're chopping this out and replacing it with this schlong is getting put in.
Does that play music?
It does, but should we talk to each other? Yeah, go on. You alright, mate? How you doing, Paul?
I'm fine, me, Paul.
Do you want to tell Dave a message?
You've reinvented
Yo,
the
bro.
phone.
So this is going in, but it's very hot again, like me. So we're gonna have to wait for it to cool down. So
Well, that cools. You can drink that.
you legend. Look
Oh,
at this.
look at that latte.
It looks after us. Looks
Is
after
that a
us.
latte?
It's a latte, mate. Latte. You're from Oldham.
I thought it was a juicy latte.
Oh, it's a juicy latte. It is. I'm just going to say right now, I've had silly amounts of messages of people asking me where I buy things from when I've mentioned it in the video. So do not turn off now. This pipe that he is holding up is an eBay special from a company called YUE.STEVEN with a Z.
It was Ann Summers.
Not Ann Summers. YUE.STEVEN with a Z or a Z if you're American or cold. And it was £65. So just type in Mark 7 GTI. Res delete, he wants to cough. So we're going to put that on now, and the measurement is on eBay. Don't quote me on the measurements because everyone's pipes are different and everyone's lengths are different. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I was rooting for something that wasn't there. So 12 inches, so obviously... do you reckon 12?
Yeah.
Right.
About 2 thumbs.
That's 12 inches, by the way. Remember to tell your missus that. This is the start-up sound before.
I love
12 inch. Do you want to hold this on, lad?
that. Yeah, I can do, yeah.
So you need to hold that tight against there.
All against that,
Yeah, and bang that around.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and at 12 foot, I should cut there.
Right, do it again.
12.
Do it again.
12 inch. Measure twice, cut once. And he's brought some cable ties along. Look at that. What you on there? That's defo 12 inch in it.
Yeah.
I was going to say if it's 12 foot, there'd be no exhaust. would
Down
there?
there somewhere.
Yeah. So should we just offer the pipe up just to double check on that?
Yeah.
So that's going to go level with that clamp. What do you reckon?
Go back a bit there. You let the pipe.
Yeah, that's bang on that, isn't it, Dave? What do you reckon, mate? The line's right in the middle of that flange.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you happy?
Yeah.
Right,
That's
let's...
pretty straightforward.
Let's
Yeah.
chop.
So we're going to cut it with these. Well, we're going to have a go with these, and then if not, we're going to take the exhaust off. How do we use these, mate?
Basically, throw the chain over what you're cutting.
Ah, yeah. Now what? Does that need to...
Yeah, undo it a bit more so it'll clamp.
Ah, got you.
Can you not see it, mate?
Like that. Yeah. Just keep tying it up bit by
Yeah.
bit, don't you? So that now, it needs to be enough so it can... Alex, chop chop.
KINO.
Can I just word of advice? Have you ever heard of let the saw do the work?
Another word.
It was until you fucking messed
Them
with me.
glasses go.
Hey Alex, you suit you then. He's making this look hard, isn't he?
You made him lose his rhythm, though, didn't
Oh.
Rhythm. Is that what you call it? Yes, boys, that is how it's done, mate. Stick with me, not him.
I did that.
But it was Dave's experience.
It was. It was.
Let's hope it fits. Right, we need a spanner or a wrench, Cole.
No, it's not a wrench.
Don't snap me bolts because I need to reuse that.
I wire brushed them.
Have you?
Yeah.
You know, you're good, aren't you? Lubed them. I like how this interruptions don't answer it. You're working for me now.
Hi Alex, what can I do for you? We're halfway
Listen.
through it now.
You're interrupting a video and you've already swore in it twice and you're not even here. See you later. Alex, does your phone do this?
Old man, me.
There's more than one pipe in this video.
He's got more chins than a Chinese phone book. Right.
Got it.
Right. Remove the piece, Alex. Oh, we've got the mounting up there, Dave. Shall we start it up without that on? what will that sound like? Oh. Will it not?
He says when it whacks
I like how I've been demoted to cameraman. Oh. Petrol tank strap. Do you know what you're doing with that, you?
It's in you and everything in a minute.
Push it up so it's square. Yeah. Yes, boys. Is it heavy? Does it play a tune?
I don't want to put my mouth around it, to be fair.
That's why I asked you. Have you ever wondered what a GTI sounds like without an exhaust? You're about to find out, mate.
No.
Well, we're going to find out. Because it's got to be done just because, you know, because goons, that's why. Whoa, this is risky.
Hang me leg out. Go loud.
Due to my research,
Yeah.
this is quieter because 1, it restricts the airflow, 2, the pipe goes through, there's lots of holes in it to let it breathe, and there's something called wadding I found out, didn't I? I found that out, didn't I, boys?
Yeah, Lord, yeah.
So we're going to put a straight pipe on and it should enhance it. No way near like what that sounded like, but it should enhance it enough so we get a few more pops and bangs. So let's get it on. There's a bit of burring from when we cut this, so we're literally just going to shove it in.
Good job, that mate.
Is that good enough for you, mate? Oh, carry on.
It's a golf it broke anyway.
Strap on that, don't worry.
That well nearly went on me.
You got me back, I broke your car, you broke my file.
I know. What do you reckon to these electronic handbrakes, Dave?
Yeah, shit, yeah.
What do you reckon to car mechanics, Dave? Do you know what you're doing, Dave?
Oh, yeah.
You've got to check his work, you see. He's been out of the trade a while.
Put it on.
What are you putting on, mate?
I'm putting exhaust paste on, mate,
Why?
to make a perfectly good seal.
Yeah, that's the one. A good, nice, tight seal. Why is it clear?
High performance, mate.
What?
It's high performance.
Extra BHP?
Yeah.
It looks like Vaseline, mate. Something you've been using with...
Oh,
Wrong tube.
After you've fitted your exhaust sealant, it's time to offer the pipe up. Alex has got a bit of excess exhaust sealant in areas and crevices that he doesn't want it, so he's just going to wipe it, aka his anus.
Doesn't it?
Apart from being a bit low there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah, so
someone
that one,
finger
so-
that for me. Now, I've seen a lot of videos on the internet of these res deletes, and to be honest with you, the results have been quite disappointing from the way people have videoed it. Now, I don't know if that's because if they videoed it in a certain way, it doesn't emphasise it, but we do have a Rode mic on the camera, so we're hoping that will pick it up, and I can show you the absolute difference. Obviously, in another day, we'll go out and get some driving shots with it, because at the minute it's raining and it's dark, and it's not enough hours in the day.
Manchester meat.
So I think we lower it down and have a listen. Right, Alex, just before we do start the vehicle, I'm going to alter the camera angle. That's not better, isn't it? Just that little bit it needs. Just to clarify, that does sound better than I thought. I'm happy with that, very happy with that. 65 quid, mate, and then hence sound. One final step, as Dave kindly mentioned, we need to throw the car up in the air and check if there's any leaks from underneath. Just because we're doing things properly. And then this, I would love to, it's actually quite heavy, I'd love to bin this, but we can't because for service reasons. And if we ever sell the car, I can always revert it back. So yeah, let's chuck it up again for the, how many times have we done it in this video? Basically now, Dave's going to whack his hands over that exhaust, and if you listen, let go.
There's no this side.
If you let go, it disappears. So we've got a little bit of blowing, and I think it's from this side because we've not nipped it up enough. So we're going to nip that up, and it should rectify the slight issue. Right, if it wasn't for this blurred face, which we still don't have a name for, I wouldn't have been able to do that. So I want to thank you, Dave. We'll go with Dave, your real name, but your face is blurred. So I am talking to no face at the minute. We have sorted him out some stickers, which I'm sure you're going to put somewhere. He's doing all sorts of stuff now and you can't see it. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much.
No worries.
And you were just a waste of space, weren't you?
You pressed the button twice.
I did.
Well, true, you did.
I was cameraman for a bit.
I did. Right, so yeah, there's the res delete, and we'll head out now and you can hear it on the way home. But when there is daylight, you can have a look and see what it sounds like. No worries, mate. Is everyone happy?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Let's go on.
Oh, mate! Oh, I wish it was daylight because they might not even see this reaction. It drones a bit, doesn't it? But
Soon to come on TCR. I fit my Golf GTI with pace car lights, and we take the GTI for a quick drive to hear those snap, crackle and pops after that res delete has been fitted. Stay tuned for more.
Money.